What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and in this video today we're going to be showing you a Clickbank tutorial for beginners. We're actually going to be deploying a strategy that you can actually deploy in your business right now, whether you're a beginner or an advanced marketer, that you can actually use to make money with Clickbank. Now, this strategy that I'm going to be showing you guys today is a little bit different from strategies that I've showed you here in the past on the channel, so make sure you pay close attention as we go through this video. So there's three basic ways in order to make money with Clickbank. You need a high converting product, you need a platform to sell that product on, and then you need to send some targeted traffic to that actual platform so you can actually sell the product. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually sell Clickbank products from articles, but we're not going to have to do any type of SEO or rank any type of videos. You're not going to have to do any of that stuff. And I'm going to show you here in this video how you can actually take articles and create Clickbank commissions. So let's go and jump right into this video. So we're here at clickbank.com and we're just going to find a high converting product really quick. So we're going to go ahead and click on the affiliate marketplace. And the way you actually find a high converting product is you just click on this little hourglass, this little magnifying glass, and it will basically pull up all the high converting products in Clickbank right now. So most of the time you'll find like a lot of different health and fitness product, a lot of business opportunity products that are high converting that you're gonna find on this first page. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this TED woodworking product. It's basically been on Clickbank for as long as I know. It's been converting for years, and right now it's still at a gravity score of 136, and it has an average rebill of $87. You can actually make $56 per sale. So I'm going to go with this product called TED Woodworking, and basically this product is all about like doing woodworking projects, making bookshelves and things like tables and stuff like that. So we're gonna roll with this product. So for instance, if we're gonna go ahead and sell this product, we're gonna want to actually look at the product, the sales page, make sure that we like it. Also, there's an affiliate page here that you can actually find out more information about the product. It'll give you like the commission rates. It'll tell you like the whole funnel in terms of upsells and downsells and recurring information. So all that information is in here. You can also have additional information in terms of like how to advertise this actual program, because like I said, this product has been around for a very long time, and they give you a lot of the tools and resources you need to go ahead and advertise this product. And I can see here that they actually give you information, or they give giveaways. So like there's squeeze pages here, there's video landing pages. So you could actually send traffic to these different pages with your affiliate ID here. And if someone purchases, you're gonna be able to make money. So now that we found the product that we're actually going to sell, I'm gonna show you how we're going to get traffic to that product, and how we're actually gonna create the platform that we're gonna sell the product off of. So if we actually just jumped over to bing.com, we're gonna jump over to bing.com, and if I typed in something like, let's say, woodworking bookshelf plans. So say we want to, target this particular keyword called woodworking bookshelf plans. And what you see here in when the results is you see an ad here, you see an ad, you see an ad, you see an ad, you see an ad. And if you actually scroll down to the bottom, you'll probably see more ads. You see 3 ads that are down here, 4 ads that are down here. So what we're going to be doing is we're basically going to be creating an article, right? And we're going to actually purchase PPC through Bing. And the reason why we want to use Bing and not Google is because Bing PPC ads are dirt cheap in comparison to Google ads. So the price of Google ads in comparison to Bing ads would probably be triple or quadruple times per click by getting them on Google. But if you use Bing, it's going to be much cheaper to go ahead and create a page like an article, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that like within a minute. And you're going to be able to get it ranked here at the top, because these top links get the majority of the traffic, and you don't have to do any SEO or do all these kind of backlinks. You're just going to get the article you created and put it on a one-page site. I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly, and then you're going to basically pay per click to get your article on the top of the search engines for this particular keyword. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to pop over to ClickFunnels.com, and as you guys know, ClickFunnels is a software tool that you can actually make funnels, but they also have what we call article pages on there. So a lot of people don't know they have this function. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to click on ClickFunnels up here, you're going to click on funnels at the top, and you're basically going to just act like you're going to be doing a regular sales funnel, but instead of doing like an opt-in funnel or a sales page or a webinar funnel, you're going to go over to miscellaneous here. So what we're going to do is just scroll down to the bottom of the page here, and we're going to find a kind of a blog style template that we're going to use to actually put our article on. I'm just going to use this template here. So then I'm going to now actually pop over to Easing Articles to find an article to show you guys an example of how I would actually promote the product via this article. Obviously, you don't want to copy any article that's on the internet. You want to write the article yourself, or you want to go over to Fiverr and pay somebody a couple bucks to create an article for you. So basically, let's go ahead and pop over to Easing Articles and then get some information so I can show you guys the rest of this example. So we're here at Easing Articles, and I basically just put in like woodworking bookshelf plans, and I pulled up an article. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab this title here, and again, this is just for example purposes, guys. You don't want to copy. And then I'm going to go ahead and edit my template, and then once my template comes up, I'm going to be able to edit it. And then so I'm just going to go in here, and I'm going to copy paste this in. I can make this a little bit neater by, you know, putting it in the middle here. And then here, I can go ahead and start the preliminary plans of actually promoting my product. So I can say something in here about get access to 16,000 woodworking projects and plans here. And so I could basically take this, guys, and then I would go back over to Clickbank, and I would basically take, you know, say this affiliate link here for the product, and I would copy that affiliate link, and I would copy this affiliate link here, and then I would go ahead and maybe center this and then link it here. So now this is going to be my first link in the article. So when people click on this, it'll actually go to the Clickbank page. And then I would just basically do the rest of my article. So I'm gonna go over here and just kind of copy this just to show you guys an example. And then I would just click in here. Let's just click in here, and now I have my article. And you can hypertext, you know, some of the stuff in here and link back to the Clickbank product as well, if you want to do that. And then here at the bottom, this is kind of cool too, because you can actually build your list. And if you guys remember here on the affiliate page, it had a way that you could actually build a list. So if I actually click on, let's just click on this to see what it looks like. I click on this, open that up. This actually is some sort of ebook or guide. So what you could actually do is you could actually opt in for this guide yourself, or you can just download this guide here, and then you could use this as a opt-in for your actual page. So you can actually be building your list while you could be selling directly from the article. So I hope you guys see the power in that, because what we're doing, guys, is we're taking this article, right, and we're giving valuable content up front. So people are looking for woodworking projects to build a bookshelf. So what we're doing is we're going to go ahead and give them valuable content and information up front in the actual article, but we're also going to give them an avenue, ways to actually click on our Clickbank product and actually buy the product, as well as we can take this guide here and then we can actually put it on, you know, we can start building our list with it. So from here, we could actually say, you know, they get access to 40 free woodworking projects. So obviously this is something that you can actually start to do by building your list. So essentially what you would be doing is collecting emails and giving away that same guide that we saw here on this page. So you can actually give that guide away, build your email list while you're actually promoting this article on Bing. So essentially you'll be able to, get clicks here. So people could actually go to this actual web page. You could actually do it up here too. So you could actually maybe even change this to say, get access to 16,000 woodworking projects and plans here. And then you could change this to say, click here. Then of course you would actually just paste your affiliate link again and go ahead and save that. Now you can actually put some information here about the company, and you can put your information here if you want to. But essentially guys, I hope you guys see what we're doing here is basically we're taking an article. So you would actually need to write an article or pay somebody on Fiverr to actually create this article. And then you actually just take this article that you have, you load it up with your affiliate links in here. And then you also, like I said, you can download that ebook, and then you can actually build a list in which, if you're building a list, you'll be able to market to those people over and over again via your email campaign. So you actually can create additional sales down the line. And then you're basically just going to take this, once it's all finished and done, you're going to publish it. Then you're going to go back to Bing, and you're basically just going to create a Bing campaign by doing PPC. And like I said, with the Bing campaign, it's much cheaper to do that versus using Google, and you can get on the top of Bing very quickly for a lot less money than using Google. So if you guys don't know how to create a Bing campaign, it's pretty similar to any other PPC or ad networks platform. If you've done Facebook ads or YouTube ads, it's pretty much the same way. If you're not familiar with it at all, I'll leave a couple links in the video below for some recommendations for some really cheap courses on how to set up profitable Bing campaigns. I believe they're like $9. So if you want to check them out, I'll have a link in the description for those different courses. So I hope all that made sense, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about the method, make sure you leave that in the comment section below here in the video, and I'll try to do my best to answer all of those questions for you. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.